I will show you how to make this very beautiful and cute little crochet bookmark. This is a very easy bookmark. You just need to make the flower and the stem and the leaves at the bottom and stick 3 flowers together with fabric glue. So the tutorial is really simple and written pattern is also available along with the video. Hi, I'm Shobori from Hooked in Loops. Welcome to my channel. So for this project we will be using embroidery floss and 1.75mm crochet hook. I have already made 2 flowers. Let's make the third one. For that we will make a magic circle at first. And after that, in the magic circle we will be doing a total of 12 single crochet stitches. When all the 12 single crochets are done, pull the tail of the magic circle to close it, and then at the end we will slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch of this round, and the first round is completed. We will begin the second round by doing a chain 3. Then we will be doing 5 triple crochets in the next stitch. In this way. We will quickly complete the 5 triple crochet stitches in this particular stitch. In this way. And after that we will complete the petal by doing a chain 3, slip stitch in the next stitch, and the first petal is done. We will begin the next petal by doing a chain 3, and then in the next stitch we will be doing 5 triple crochet stitches as earlier. We will complete the 5 triple crochets and again chain 3 to complete this particular petal, slip stitch in the next stitch, and again chain 3 after that for beginning the third petal. We will repeat this pattern throughout the round, and at the end after the last chain 3 simply slip stitch in the first stitch where you began doing your chain 3s. Okay, in this manner, and 6 petals are completed for your flower. Do a chain 1 and cut the yarn, and the flower is ready. Don't forget to weave in the loose ends at the end. Okay, now we will be sticking all the 3 flowers together with the help of fabric glue. Okay, in this manner to form a cluster of flower, right? And after this we will be making our stem. For that we will take the green colored embroidery floss and make a slip knot with it. Insert the hook in the slip knot and then we will slip stitch in any stitch of any flower from the back side in this way. chain 40. So the number of chains will depend on your choice. When you have completed your desired number of chains, we will simply do chain 7 after that for making the leaves at the bottom area. So 7 chains are done. Then we will do a slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, followed by 1 single crochet in the next chain, then 1 half double crochet in the next chain. In the following chain we will be doing 2 double crochet stitches. And after that, in the next chain we will be doing 1 half double crochet. Followed by slip stitch in the 7th chain. Okay. After that we will be doing chain 6 for the next leaf. Then we will slip stitch in the second stitch from the hook, followed by the same pattern, that is 1 single crochet in the next chain, 1 half double crochet in the next chain, 2 double crochets in the following chain, after that we will do 1 half double crochet in the next chain, and then a slip stitch in the 7th chain. Okay, this is the common chain where you began doing your chain 6 for the next leaf. After that the 2 leaves are completed. We will now complete our stem by doing slip stitches in each and every remaining chains of the stem. We will quickly complete doing the stitches along the chains. We have reached the end and the stem is also nearly completed. At the end we will do a slip stitch in the same stitch where we began, followed by chain 1, and we will cut the yarn. We will weave in the loose ends and stick the loose ends to the back side using fabric glue and neaten our work, and our beautiful bookmark is ready. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you have any queries, don't forget to mention that in the comment section. I will try to solve your queries. I hope you liked this tutorial, so please do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Ciao.